Kubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fabricate Shillong ringkat bat ka Victorium ka dukan kitiar kilan met ka babhatam hakador ka babit Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong
Kaput Muri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School haka arpulai tarik unai leber arjar arpuway kala pendong da ka jingpen kop burom yi ki samla puli jong kani ka school ki bala pendep ya ka kardan puli kelas 10 bat kelas 12 kum shibenta ban nang ai men sem shushu bakin nang yaile bha haki jing puli ki bakham shajrong hakani ka jingpen kop burom yi ki san pusangut ki khna puli kelas 10 bat khat arngut pan ki khna puli kelas 12 Leidon langru UMDC jang ke Maulai constituency uba Taibor lang Pathau ubala long kumukongsan harengkat lang ke principal jong ke school ke kongpi renja lembat kinohi kai jong ke ni ke school.
Today is the beginning of your life that you should focus on your career. It does not mean that today you have got these mementos that your study you will put it down. Today, from today onward, you have to start on focusing on your career. It is a time that you should think of your career. And not only of your career, you should have an aim in life. Aim is very important to have in life. You have to have a target, what you are going to do in your life. If you don't have an aim in life, it is just like a boat without a boatman. Whenever the wave takes you some other left or right, you go down. But if you have aim in life, it will be a boat with a boatman where it will take you to a right direction. You should focus on your career now. I used to advise my young friend that don't look now to the world. Most of our friends, they are running after the world. But I'm telling you, friend, my young friend, first focus on the career. When you reach that height, the world will come to you. That's the most important thing that you should understand. I know nowadays it is very disheartening for the youth regarding their career, focusing in their career because of unemployment that we are facing. But I'm telling you, young friends, education is very important. Though it is bleak, we can say ahead of your life, but you need to study, you need to come up, you need to go to a higher study. Something will come in your life.
The one